Canva page, right? All you need to do is just click on a particular box that you want to duplicate. Now you see where you have this comment sign, where you have plus, then you have delete, and you have dot dot dot. Is the second one, the plus. Just, you see that I duplicated the text, but it's not the text you want to duplicate, right? It's the box. So you come here, duplicate it, and if it's the text too, you come here to click on that plus sign and duplicate it, and then you arrange. Now if you want to select the two together, instead of stressing yourself, just probably delete, then click on the text first, then click on the three dots, click on three dots, and to bring up this option, then you click on select multiple, and then you click on the shape. Maybe you want to also click on this line, so click on the line. Can you see it has carried the three, and then you group it. Then you can click on copy here, you copy, and then you paste, right? Or you just duplicate, you see,